Hi everyone, my name is Tara Wade, and today I'm going to be talking about how I stay organized through classes, through working, and just everything being a college student nowadays. So a little bit about me: I am a junior psychology major with a concentration in counseling careers and a minor in theater performance. I am also a resident assistant on campus, and I also work on a couple other shows throughout the school year as well. And throughout the summer I am a flash guide, so I lead orientation. So I have a lot going on. And sometimes it does take a lot to make sure I'm staying organized and staying on top of everything. So one huge part of that is my planner. So I am crazy about my planner. Everything about my life is in here. So I have an Erin Condren, if anyone wanted to know that. And it's just a super easy way to just write down my assignments for that day, what life stuff I need to get done that day, and just to have a better outline of what my day is going to look like, what my week is going to look like, so I can see it all visually out on paper to know what I got going on, and so I can plan accordingly and also schedule time for myself, because self-care is super important. So one huge study tip and one tip that I use to stay organized throughout the year is a planner. So definitely get one. We have tons of amazing ones in the Kent State bookstore, so definitely check that out as well. And I hope you have a great year. Bye, Flashes.